Hi, this is Mark.
And this is John.
And we're the Armchair Thinkers. Today we're going to be talking about the future of money.
The future of money. What is it? Bitcoin, maybe? I could never figure out how that thing works. No. We're thinking of something a little simpler, a little more down to earth. A cashless society. It seems so convenient. But then when you start to think about it a little more, there are some situations in which it would help, at least at the place that we are right now, to have cash ready to pay, like to a teenager that's cutting grass or something like that.
You know, cash is an alternative to banking. What if you want to sell something and then you have to have a card reader machine or you can't sell anything? Wouldn't it be great to, be able to sell things for cash? Garage sale and so on?
Well, maybe the card reader machine people have a stake in this. They're lobbying to get this thing done. Some poor people, I think, but don't have the best credit and can't necessarily get bank accounts.
Yeah, so obviously every bank is private and they decide who gets bank accounts. And right now, if you're banking with a bank, you get a slush fund at $300, right, overdraft, right? And you wouldn't want to give that money to anybody because they could just rip you off. So there's some people who don't have bank accounts. The reason why the banks would want to get rid of cash is because some of the banks, particularly the European, Japanese ones, when they buy bonds, they lose money, right? They pay more out for the bond than they get back even years later. So they want to force that loss onto the bank retail customer. In other words, negative interest rates on deposits. And that's the reason why they want cash, so that they have monopoly, people can't choose cash, and they can force that loss on people.
And we don't have a crystal ball, we don't know they'll do it, but we know human nature.
Well, they'll see if they can try. And it certainly will be something that will come up when there is another economic crisis.
Some people win big with this kind of thing, namely the convenience. Some people lose. And I think with any new technology or just old repurposed technology like this, it's a question of habit versus convenience. And depending on which is the stronger force, I think you kind of know what's going to win out. My hunch is eventually at some point someone will try the cashless society. We're obviously slowly just naturally moving in that direction, though some countries are further along than others. And we'll just have to see who it benefits and who it doesn't.